I got a product from Get For Less and I'm excited to unbox it. Shall we? This is the product from Greenlion. It's the anti-blue light eyewear. It's very sleek. I love the packaging. I love this product. This is the features. It helps protect your eye from the blue light, eye strain reduction, and the coating is superb. It's also best for your indoor and outdoor use. Protect your eye in a Fashion Nova style. This is the product. Let me show you how it looks inside. Wow, this is the product. You can see the Greenlion logo, and this is premium. You get this leather bag or case for the product. You also get this wipe in the case. This is how the product looks like. You can even see the blue light on the outside, but when you wear it, you see a yellow light on the inside. It looks very nice with a premium touch. Here are some photos of me. This is the best product I recommend for content creators or graphic designers. This product costs 195 Ghanaian cedis, very affordable for a premium product. What do you think?